Hello everyone and welcome to another Math tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 5 Additional Mathematics, Chapter 4 Permutations and Combinations, Long Question Example 2. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, in this video, I'm going to discuss two questions regarding permutations concept. Okay, let me read the two questions. Calculate the number of different arrangement can be formed from the word consider if there is no restriction. Okay, that is for the question part A. Okay, continue to read the question part B. Forming four letters from the word consider. Okay, this is for the question 1. Okay, continue to read the question 2 over here. Calculate the number of permutations in which a car dealer can display his 5 cars, a Wajah, an Iswara, a Savvy, a Veera and a Perdana, such that the Wajah must be in the first parking lot and the Veera must be in the last parking lot. So these are the overall questions, guys. So I hope that you will attempt these two questions in the future. If you could manage to solve these questions, a big thumbs up to you guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries, I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions. So without further delay, let us start to solve the question. Let us begin our discussion for the first one. Okay, so question 1 part A, they ask us to calculate the number of different arrangement can be formed from the word consider if there is no restriction. Okay, if there is no restriction means your working will be very simple, guys. Okay, so from here you need to know how many letters formed the word consider. So let us calculate, let us count together, guys. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So as you can see here, there are 8 letters to be formed the word consider. So you need to come up with different arrangements within those 8 letters. Okay, and there is no restriction at the same time. So from here, the number of arrangement will be equals to 8 factorial. Okay, you can ask me, so what is the factorial means? Okay, if you don't know what is the factorial means, okay, let's say in this question I write 8 factorial. So 8 factorial you can also write equals to 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So this is the meaning behind the factorial, guys. Okay, if let's say if you have 2 factorial means, so it will become 2 times 1. Okay, if you have 3 factorial means it will become 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, so this is the meaning behind those factorial, guys. Okay, so let me delete this. Okay, so from here you calculate 8 factorial, you should be getting your answer 40,320 arrangements. So this is the answer for the question part A. So let me underline this. Okay, so let us proceed our discussion for the question part B. Okay, for the question part B, we are required to form a 4 letters within the word consider. Okay, we already know that the consider is a 8 letter, guys. Okay, the word consider itself is based on the 8 letters. Okay, so out of the 8 letters, we are required to form a 4 letters word. Okay, so from here the calculation will be slightly different. Okay, so let me write the working here. So from here, number of arrangement okay, will be equals to, out of the 8 you need to permutate 4 letters over here in this case. Don't know what does this mean? Okay, let me show you in the working form. So from here, 8p4 is also equals to 8 factorial divide with 8 minus 4 factorial. Okay, this is the meaning behind the working, guys. Okay, so you can calculate in this form, or if you have calculator you can just key in 8p4 also can. Okay, so let me just close this. So you calculate 8p4, you should get your answer 1680. Okay, so you have 1680 arrangements where you form 4 letters within the word consider. Okay, so let me underline the solution for the question part B. Okay, so I hope you understand the first question, guys. Okay, let us continue to discuss the second question now. Okay, to start to discuss the second question, okay, allow me to draw a 5 box, guys. Okay, since in this question they are emphasizing permutation and you have a condition such that the wajah must be in the first parking and the vira must be in the last parking. So please wait for a moment. Okay, so just assume that this 5 box is representing a parking lot. Okay, over here you only can place one outcome. Okay, so you can only have one outcome over here. So since you are parking the wajah over here, so there can be only one possible car in the first parking lot, which is in this case is wajah. Okay, so from here straight we go to the last parking lot. So over here you can only have one possible car where you can only park vira at the last parking lot. Okay, now your wajah and vira has already parked in the respective parking lot. You still have iswara, savi and perdana. So this iswara, savi and perdana can be parked within these 3 parking lots, guys. So these 3 cars will be permutating each other in terms of the arrangement. So since these 3 cars can permutate each other in terms of arrangement, so this 3 parking lot will become 3 factorial. Okay, so for instance your iswara can be in the second parking lot, it can be in the third parking lot, it can be in the fourth parking lot. Okay, I'm just telling you the idea behind this. Okay, so from here, so to calculate this, what you do, 1 you times with 3 factorial and then you times with 1. Okay, you times them all together. So from here the number of arrangement will be equals to 1 you times with 3 factorial and then you times with 1. Okay, you calculate this, you should be getting your final answer is 6. So you only can have 6 possible arrangement when you impose a condition where wajah should be your first in your first parking lot and vira should be in your last parking lot. Okay, let me underline the solution for the second question. Okay, so that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future, and not to forget to share this video. Any comments, question or feedback, please feel free to put down in the comment section, guys. Thank you everyone for your support and I'll see you in the next video.